This is kind of like just being Santa Claus on your own, because this isn't just a cutting mat.
It's not just a cutting mat. It's 5
Like
cutting
magic.
mats. Until I was able to build the studio that I have now in the basement of my house, I had to do my cutting on my dining room table, and I had to always put my cutting mat away. I would always try to find a place to put my big cutting mat, and I would lean it against the wall. I'd put it behind the couch. I'd slide it under my bed. It always got that little curve in the bottom, and it never ever quite laid flat after that. But then this I can use, and I can fold it up, and I can put it away, which is so fantastic. The other thing that's so great for this mat is if you're traveling at all. If you're traveling to a class, if you're going to an expo, if you're going to a retreat, even if you're just traveling, if you're camping, if you're on a plane, if you're in a hotel room, any of those kinds of things, and you want to do your crafts, this will have all the sizes that you might need all in one. And it's easy to take places. We made sure that the measurement lines, your half-inch lines, your quarter-inch lines, are not along either the folds of the mat or the cuts of the mat. So you can cut straight across, which is so amazing. So if you leave it in your hot car, if you leave it in your trunk, it is not going to warp. But then when you need to put it away, guys, it won't fold the wrong way. So when it's time to put it away, it's easier to fold it up, because it will only go one way to fold it up. Put that back around, fold her up. And the thing that's so great about this, like I mentioned, I wasn't able to leave a cutting mat out. This will fit right on your shelf.
Look at
You
that,
guys,
right on the shelf.
Just set it right there. You can put it right away.